Welcome to our channel Dreamers 360. Today we are going to see 12th History Unit 4 Advent of Gandhi and Mass Mobilization. Here we are going to see the book back answer for Unit 4. First one, who was the political guru of Gandhiji? Answer option B, Gokhale. Next, second one, after returning from South Africa, Gandhi launched his first successful satyagraha in option C, Champaran. Third one, why was the Simon Commission boycotted by the Congress? Here, option A, there was no recommendation for bestowing dominion status on India in its report. No, it's wrong. B, it did not provide any safeguard for minorities. It's also wrong. C. It had excluded Indians from its fold. It's a correct one. And D. It did not hold any promise for total independence. No, it's also wrong. Therefore, the answer for the third one is option C. Fourth one. When was the tricolor flag of freedom hoisted? Answer option A. December 31, 1929. Fifth one. What was the name of the party formed by Motilal Nehru and Sia Das in 1923? Answer option A, Swaraj Party. Sixth one. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the answer from the codes given below. A. Namsodar movement, Eastern India. Adi Dharma movement, North Western India. Satya Sodak movement, Western India. Dravidian movement, South India. Therefore, option A, 3142. Seventh one, arrange the different stage of non-cooperation movement in chronological order. First one, the most heinous of political crime was perpetrated on an unarmed mass by the British regime at Amritsar town. It was a Jallianwala Bagh issue. It's happened on April 1919. Next, Rowlatt Act was promulgated to imprison any person without trial by a law court. It was on March 1919. Next, Chauri Chaura incident of mob violence made Gandhi announce the suspension of non-cooperation movement on Feb 1922. A special session held at Calcutta resolved to accept Gandhi's proposal on non-cooperation with the colonial state. It happens on September 1920. Let we match now. First one is 2, second 1, third 4 and fourth 3. Therefore 2143. The answer for this one is 2143, option A. Next, eighth one. Which of the following is not correctly paired? A. Lieutenant Governor of Punjab. B. Dalit Bahujan Movement. C. Self-Respect Movement. D. Satyagraha Sabha. Here, option A, Lieutenant Governor of Punjab is actually Michael O'Dyer, not Reginald Dyer. Balance 3 are correct. Therefore, the answer for the eighth one is option A. Next, ninth one. Arrange the launching of the following events in the chronological order. Kheda Satyagraha, 1918. Champaran Movement, 1917. Non-Brahman Movement, 1916. Vedaranyam Salt Satyagraha, 1930. Therefore, the chronological order 3214. 3214 is matched here is option B. Next, 10th one. Which of the following is or not true? First, Gandhiji established Sabarmati Ashram at Ahmedabad. It's a correct. Second, Vallabhbhai Patel was a lawyer. It's also correct. Third, Simon Commission was welcomed by Muslim League. It's wrong. Next, Gandhiji attended the second roundtable conference. True. Therefore, the correct one is option D. Only 3 is wrong. Next, 11th one. Non-cooperation movement included here a boycott of government schools and colleges. Correct. Return of government conferred titles. Correct. C. Observing protest fast. Observing protest fast. No. conducting underground movement? Not. Therefore, the answer for 11th one is option A. A and B are correct. Next, 12th one. Assertion. B.R. Ambedkar launched Mahat Satyagraha. Correct. Reason. He wanted to unite Hindus and Muslims. No. Therefore, here A is correct and does not explain R as per the options given here. But the correct answer for this one is A is correct, R is wrong. 13th one. Assertion. The Indian Council Act and Rowlatt Act were passed in 1919. Correct. The reason, it was part of the British policy of winning over the moderators and isolating the extremists. Correct. Therefore, the answer for the 13th one is option A. Both A and R are correct. R is the correct explanation of A. Next, 14th one. Which of the under mentioned personality is unrelated to Swaraj Party? Option A. Rajaji. Balance 3 are related to Swaraj Party. 15th one. Gandhi set out on the march and reached Dundee on. Answer option A. 6th April 1930. Unit 5. Period of radicalism in anti-imperialist struggle. Here we are going to see Unit 5 book back answer. First, choose the correct answer. First one. The Communist Party of India was formed in the year. Option B. 1925. Second one. Kalpana Dutt was associated with. Answer option D. Indian Republican Army. Next. Third one. Match the following. A. Kanpur Conspiracy Case 1924. Next. Meerut Conspiracy Case 1929. Chittagong Armory Raid. Answer Surya Sen. D. Karachi Session of Indian National Congress Fundamental Rights. Therefore, the answer for the third one is 4321. Option D. Next. Who died in the jail after 64 days of hunger strike? Answer option C. Jatindra Nath Das. Fifth one. Which of the following about Great Depressions are true? It started in North America. Correct. The crash in the Wall Street triggered the depression. Correct. The depression hit only the rich. Wrong. Laborers enjoyed better living condition during the depression because of fall in price. Wrong. Therefore, the answer for the fifth one is option A. 1 and 2 are about the Great Depressions are true. Sixth one. The first cotton mill in Bombay was started in. Option B. 1854. Next. Seventh one. Find out which of the following statements are correct with the help of the quote given below. Here, first one. Chittagong Armory Riders Reminiscence was written by Kalpana Dutt. Correct. Kalpana Dutt fought carrying guns for the liberation of her motherland. Correct. She was charged with waging war against the King Emperor. Correct. Therefore, the answer for the seventh one is D. All the above. Next, eighth one. The first passenger train ran in 1853 between. Option C. Bombay and Thane. Next. Ninth one. The first jute mill in Calcutta was founded in. Option A. 1855. Tenth one. Who among the following was arrested in Kanpur Conspiracy Case? Answer S.A. Dung. 11th one. Which of the following statements about the Kanpur Conspiracy Case are true? First. The trade union emerged in the jute and cotton textile industries. Correct. Second, the communists and trade unionists were charged. It's also correct. Third, the case came before Session Judge H.E. Holmer. Correct. Therefore, the answer for the 11th one is option A. 1, 2 and 3. If this video is useful to you, like this video, share it with your friends. Do subscribe and click bell icon to get instant updates.